This is a chloroplast. There's the Calvin cycle and the light-dependent reaction. Calvin cycle takes in CO2, creates NADP plus, ADP plus P, and sugars or glucose. Then the light-dependent reaction takes in H2O and light, makes O2 and ATP and NADP. This is the light-dependent reaction. It has photosystem 2, photosystem 1, and ATP synthase. In photosystem 2, the light photons come in and create water, which is split into O2 and a proton, or aka a hydrogen. Hydrogen is then moved over and it is pulled through the negative membrane by the other protons over here, basically launched up through the membrane, which creates energy. Then NADPH is formed. Then the proton comes over here, forms and comes down through here, which causes ADP to rotate into ATP. This is the Calvin cycle. There is stage 1, which is the carbon fixation. Carbon fixation is where the CO2 chain is hooked up and it uses Rubisco. And then 6-ATP becomes 6-ADP. Stage 2 is reduction. It brings the NADPH, attaches it to a phosphate, and gives it hydrogen. Oil rig reduction is gain. And then NADPH becomes NADH plus, and sugar or glucose is made along the way. Stage 3 is the regeneration of RUBP, which requires 3 ATP molecules right here, and then everything is recycled. Every 3 times sugar is released. Then Rubisco and 3 molecules of CO2 are used here as well. The reactants of the Calvin cycle are CO2, ATP, which is also over here too, and NADPH. Its products are ADP, NADP plus a hydrogen, and glucose, or C6H12O. Photosynthesis. Boom.